Hello, and welcome to VRCalendarSync.com. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the quick overview of our Pro and Enterprise versions. I'm going to pick up where I left off with the free version, so if you haven't watched that video first, I recommend that just so you can see some of our basic options. The Pro and Enterprise plugins are available only from VRCalendarSync.com. So you go here to this website, you scroll down, and to purchase them, just click on Buy Now, which will bring you to the shopping cart. What are some of the better features in the Pro and Enterprise versions as compared to the free? Well, the free one, you can only have 3 iCal links merged in one calendar. In the Pro, you can have 5 iCal links merged in up to 10 calendars. Plus, we have a booking option enabled. You can take Stripe and PayPal payments directly from your calendar to reserve days or nights. It's pretty cool. In our Enterprise version, you can have up to 10 iCal links per calendar with support for up to 50 calendars. So if you have a lot of listings, that one's even better. And of course, the booking option is enabled for that as well. I'm going to show you a little bit more about the booking option and some of our great Pro and Enterprise features right now. Let's go ahead and dive in, see what the dashboard looks like in the Pro version. So just like we had the free version running on my Waikiki vacation condo site, now I installed the Pro version. One of the cool things to note is that once you upgrade from the free version to the Pro or Enterprise, you don't actually lose any calendars. All that data is still saved there. So the calendar I just created previously, VR Calendar ID 5, is still there. But you'll notice the dashboard did change a little bit. Now we have a booking shortcode in addition to the calendar shortcode. The booking shortcode allows you to put a Book Now button anywhere on your site so people can immediately be taken to the booking screen. They can also get to the booking screen directly through the calendar, so it gives you a lot of different options there. If we go into and edit the calendar, I can show you some of the other options that we are added. Of course, we can add more links. Remember, with the free, we could only add 3. Now we can add 5. We can go to Enterprise to add up to 10. That should be plenty for most people. The rows and columns are the same, but now the booking tab is enabled, and this is a great feature. Enable booking, yes or no? Well, if we turn it on to yes, then we can put some details in here for price per night. Let's make it $100 a night, a cleaning fee of $100. Let's say $125, so you can see the difference. We can add taxes. This is a big thing in different jurisdictions. You can keep it at 0, or you can go ahead and say taxes, like in Honolulu, are going to be expensive, 14.2% per night. Payment method, you can set up PayPal, Stripe, give your users an option of PayPal or Stripe because some people prefer one or the other, or none. Since I'm not going to go through the details of adding Stripe right now, I'll just choose none. But it's pretty easy to do, and you just put your PayPal and Stripe preferences into settings. Alert to double booking, this is an option in case you get a double booking or you make a booking on your website and then you get a booking on VRBO, for instance. It will email you. We'll put that for no right now. Requires admin approval. This just means that does this booking from your website require approval or not? If you choose yes for this, that means an email will be sent to the admin instantly telling you that you have a new booking request. If you approve it, an email will be sent back to the guest and they'll be able to submit their payment details. If you turn this off, basically what this will mean is guests will be allowed to book right away without your approval. And I can show you both. Let's go ahead and show you what happens when we require admin approval. We'll click Save. Okay, the calendar is updated. It's the same as it was here. We're just going to click Refresh. We don't have to change the shortcode again because we already put it in there and change the colors to this lovely orange and green. But now booking is ready. I didn't put in the Book Now button. I'll show you how to do that in a second. But right now on any calendar, on any available date, if a user clicks on the date, they're going to be brought to a booking page. Well, where did this booking page come from, you may ask? When you install the Pro or Enterprise versions, we're going to actually create all these pages for you. A payment page, a bookings page, a thank you page, payment cancel page. These pages will be created for you, and you can change them with you as much as you like. Put in some text here about, please book, this is how you book, etc. Now remember, we turned admin approval on, so they won't be able to book right away. They're going to have to send a booking request in, so there's no credit card or payment details yet. So they put in check-in dates, check out. You notice the colors were still maintained from the previous calendar. Pretty cool. There we go. There it is. Number of guests. Say it's 2 guests. I can put in their name here. Test email. Let's choose a random email here. Note to host. Hi. Can't wait to stay at your lovely place. So we have our $100 times 1 night. Cleaning fee of $125. Taxes automatically computed on that stay of $14.02, giving you a total. You're going to click Request to Book. Thank you. This is just the basic language that's in here. As I mentioned, this is actually a page that's created for your WordPress site. So you can go ahead and edit this page and change all the details. This can say whatever you like it to say. But now your details are sent for pre-approval. You will receive the confirmation email on the approval of your booking. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the dashboard to show you what happens when the admin gets this email. I'll show you what the emails actually look like. Let's just bring this up 1 second. Okay, we're back here, and you can see in this in my Gmail here what happens. Basically, since I'm the admin of this site, I get a email here that says approval needed on new booking on Waikiki Vacations Condo, the name of your site. And you can go ahead and click here to view the booking. You get their note here, the dates that they want to book it, a booking ID, which is unique to our system. You can click here, viewing the booking. Here it is, booking details for the test calendar. So you have 2 choices as the admin here. You can delete or approve this booking. Right now it's pending. Payment status is not required because we chose no payments. Let's go ahead and approve it. Okay, now the booking is successfully approved. Let me show you what the guest will now see when this happens. So now the guest gets an email basically saying their booking is approved. If we had payments details set up, there would also be a link in here that says click here to submit your payment details. And that's all there is to it. Okay, so if we go back to the dashboard, I can show you a couple other things. There's this also new tab here called Bookings. Clicking on this, and you'll see all your approved or pending bookings right here, along with their summary, booking price, the booking date, the booking approved, whether they've paid or not yet, and the status. So all your bookings will be located here in one place, as well as on the calendar, of course. Okay, so that's the booking tab. Go back to the dashboard. The last thing I'll show you here is this book shortcode button that we can add to our site. So if we go, we don't want to modify this page. We want to modify listings actually. So we're going to edit this listing. Back in here, besides the calendar, we could also add a Book Now button with any text you like right here. And this is a booking button just for this calendar. So if we go back and update this, you can insert this shortcode also anywhere you like in your site. That way, if you don't want to show the calendar, but you do want to have a button for people to instantly book your place, you can go ahead and do that. See, now there's this Book Now button. So they could click on the calendar to request a date like we showed before, or they can just go ahead and click Book Now, which brings up the booking page. And since it's admin approval, we still have request to book. So they can choose the dates up here. Let's say they want 18th to 22nd. There you go. They can make this booking request. It computes the prices automatically, and they're good to go. Okay, so that's the overview of the Pro and Enterprise version of VR Calendar Sync. As I mentioned, the main difference in Pro and Enterprise is just the number of calendars it can support. They both have these great booking and payment options, as well as all the other options from the free version, which includes changing your colors, modifying the fonts, and of course responsive design so it looks good on any kind of website. Okay, well that's all for VR Calendar Sync. Go check it out, vrcalendarsync.com. And I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, I'm here for your support. Thank you.